Are you using Claude yet in your business? Today I want to show you 3 key ways I use Claude on a daily basis to help me in the back end of my business. So this is Claude and it says golden hour thinking, which tells you the time of day I'm recording this. I do have a paid Claude account. So over on the left hand side there's this little box that says, click on it, says open sidebar, and you've got chat, your previous chats, you can search. We have projects, which are like literally like little standalone projects. So there could be a project around my upcoming conference. There could be a project around my LinkedIn workshops. Maybe there's a project around managing my diary, and you can create different projects. I'm going to show you how to do that. Make sure you stay to the end because I'm also going to show you artifacts and then how I can connect Claude through to my Google Calendar, which is absolutely game-changing in terms of how I can get organized inside my business. So first of all, most people are using AI just to go in and have a chat with the AI about something. So for example, they might say, help me write a blog post about interior design. Now, that is not specific to our business, and what I would prefer you to do is to go over into Claude and create a project. So if we click on projects here and we go up to the top right and we click on a new project, so we're going to have a personal project, so redesign. So marketing and interior design business, what am I trying to achieve? The more context you can put in here, the better. So what I actually like to do, which is kind of fun, is go into a chat and ask Claude to help me set up a project. So can you help me write the context and description for a Claude project about marketing and interior design business? And I'm going to hit enter. So I'm actually getting the AI to help me set up the project that I want to work on. Okay, so it says, once you answer these 3 questions. So is this for, I'm going to say it's for a client business. Oh, let's go back. It's a hypothetical. It will be mainly used for all of these: email marketing, website and blog, and social media content. Do I have brand details ready? Yes, let's pretend that we do already. So now it's going to help us write the description for our Claude project. Let's use placeholder examples for now. Okay, so project context, custom instructions. So why don't we go over and project context first of all. So while it's working on this, we're going to go over to our projects and we're going to create a new project. And this is marketing, interior design. And I don't mind typing errors whenever I am chatting with Claude, but when I'm actually creating a project, I want to get that right. So what are you trying to achieve? I'm going to paste this in here. I'm going to go back to our chat. So rather than flipping and flopping between the two, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to, so let's see, custom instructions, okay, copy. So over to Claude, I'm going to create the project and we're going into the instructions on the right hand side and we're going to paste in the instructions that Claude itself has given us, okay? And we're going to click Save Instructions. So now this is our project. So it tells us what the project is. Over on the right hand side it has instructions, and then what I love about this is the files. So if you had an interior design business, in here you might want to add your flyers. So it says upload from device. So you might have your flyers, you might have marketing collateral, maybe you have proposals from previous clients, and you put all of those things into your files, and now we have a project that is specific to our business. Absolutely love projects inside Claude. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is what you can create with Claude that you can use outside of Claude, and those are called artifacts. Artifacts are, if we click on here, a new artifact. So they are apps. You can literally build a website, documents and templates, a game, a productivity tool, creative projects, quiz or survey, or just start building your idea from scratch. So if we wanted to, for example, survey people for our interior design business, maybe we'll go in and create a artifact from that. And what I want to do is actually move this inside of our project. So let's go back to our project. And we're going to go into our interior design business And then we want to do create artifact. Say create quiz. So it's asking me a few questions. Okay. We want to know what their pain points are. It will live on our, we're not sure yet. So what should happen at the end of the quiz? We recommend a specific service. And remember, we haven't told our brand details yet, so you can build all of this even before you're actually ready to go. So here's the quiz and the logic. Okay, and then I'm going to say save to artifacts. So off it goes to create our artifact. While it's doing that, I'm going to show you other artifacts I have in my own business. So we can go down the menu on the left hand side, click on more and go to artifacts. And these are the types of things I've created so far. So there are some PDFs, there are some YouTube scripts, there are follow-up emails, and let's see. So there might be like a downloadable PDF, for example. So inside my group, we normally summarize actions at the end, and then I can create this as something to send to my clients or my students. Okay, let's go back. Here we go. So we've got our artifact, the interior design quiz, and we click on it and it should show over on the right hand side, and there is our little quiz. So it's still got its placeholders. We need to put in the colors in it as well, but this is the artifact that we have created inside of our Claude project. So that is Claude Projects and artifacts. And then the third thing I want to show you that I use all the time is the connections to my Google Calendar. So on the left hand sidebar, if we go to customize, and it says customize Claude, and we're going to connect our apps. So we click on connect your apps, and you can see the different apps that are available in here for you to connect. There's lots of different kinds of things. There are lots of different apps to connect to, and I want to connect today to my Google Calendar. So we click on Google Calendar, and it is already connected, and the things I can do in here are create events, delete events, find free time, get events, list your calendars, list events, respond to events, and update events. These are the tools that I have, and here are the prompts that are available. So how does this actually work? So let's go into a chat, and I'm going to say, what upcoming events do I have this week? And it's going to go into my Google Calendar, and it's going to summarize the events that I've got coming up this week. And this is a brilliant little tool to use on a Sunday evening as you're going into the week ahead, just to get yourself organized. And it tells you all the things. It says, here's your week ahead, Louise. It's a busy one. Okay, and then it says at the bottom, anything you'd like to prep for, but we're okay today. So today we looked at projects in Claude, connecting to apps. Today the specific example was connecting to your Google Calendar, and then creating artifacts. I hope you find this useful. I find Claude is fast becoming my favorite AI tool, and it's really useful for business. So let me know if you've got any questions down below.